Hi, it's Jenna here from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm sharing with you how to make these bacon and goat cheese stuffed mini peppers. This recipe for stuffed mini peppers requires just a few ingredients. You need 1 cup of goat cheese, 2 tablespoons honey, salt, a jalapeno, a half dozen sweet peppers that you're going to dice and remove the seeds of, half a pound of bacon, and some cilantro to sprinkle on the end. Once you have diced the sweet peppers, the jalapeno, and the cooked bacon, it's time to make the filling for these stuffed peppers. You can use some goat cheese that's either on the block that you crumble yourself, or you can use the kind that's on the log. This was a delicious truffle goat cheese, which added another flavor, but you can use any type that you like. So first you're going to crumble the goat cheese, and then you mix in the honey and the salt, and you create that into this kind of wet batter that is going to go inside of the peppers. You add the jalapenos, stir it all together, and then you start filling and assembling your mini sweet potatoes. Sweet peppers. So you arrange them all on a baking sheet. You're going to want to line that with parchment paper, and then you stuff the filling inside of all of the sweet peppers. Once you have them stuffed, it goes in the oven for 10 minutes at 425 degrees. The goat cheese is going to completely melt inside with all of the jalapeno, and at this point you add on the crumbles of the bacon. This mixture will go back in the oven on high in the broiler for about 2 minutes, and then it is done. Once you take them out, you can either serve them at room temperature or hot, fresh out of the oven. This makes a delicious side for a party, or it's a great appetizer for dinner. I really love them any time of the year. For more great recipes that you can make for dinners or parties or just any sort of weekend game time, find me at sitbitego.com. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!